Good morning everyone. This is the second video of word problem of LCM. We have already discussed two questions in the previous video. So the third question is the product of LCM and HCF of two numbers is 80 if one of them is 20. Find the other number. Okay. Now, before starting with this question, first understand this thing that HCF into LCM, or we can say LCM into HCF, is equals to product of two numbers. Okay. So on the basis of this concept, we will solve this question, right? So HCF into LCM is given as 80. It is given. See, the product of HCF and LCM of two numbers is 80. It means HCF into LCM is 80. It is given. Similarly, one number is 20. It is also given. See, if one of them is 20, it means one number is 20. It is given. Now find the other number, means the other number we have to find. Okay. So now see this. Since HCF into LCM is equals to one number, NO dot means number, into another or other number. So now we will place the values which are given, these values. See, HCF into LCM is given as 80. So we will write 80 in place of this. Okay. In place of one number we will write 20, and other number we have to find. So we will write other number as it is. Okay. Now in the next step, see, 80 is written here. 20, when it will come here, it will divide number 80. Okay. And other number is on the right hand side of equal to. Now we can reverse this statement as, or we can write like this: other number is equal to 80 divided by 20. This and this statement are same, both are same. Okay. Now when we divide 80 by 20, we will get 4. Okay. So the answer is, the other number is 4. Okay. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now the next question is, the product of two numbers is 192. Okay. If HCF of numbers is 4, find the LCM of numbers. Okay. In this question, what is given? Product of two numbers is given as 192 and HCF is given as 4. And what we have to find? LCM. Okay. So again, HCF into LCM is equals to product of two numbers. We have discussed in the previous question only. So now what is given? First we will write that product of two numbers, that is 192. Product of two numbers is equals to 192, that is given. HCF is given as 4. So HCF is equals to 4. Again it is given. LCM, what we have to do? We have to find the LCM of numbers. So LCM is equals to what? That is, we have to find the LCM, right? So now again, since this symbol means since. Okay. Since HCF into LCM is equals to product of two numbers, this only I have written here. Okay. Nothing different. So now HCF is given as 4. LCM we have to find out. So we will write LCM as it is. Okay. Now product of two numbers, it is given as 192. So now write 192. Now we have put all the values, HCF 4, LCM as it is, and product of two numbers as 192. Now LCM is equals to, this 4 will go here, and here it is in multiplication relation. So when it will go this side of equal to, it will convert into divide. So 192 divided by 4. Okay. And the answer is 48. So the LCM is equal to 48. Right. Now the answer is the LCM of numbers is 48. Children, if you want to check that whether your answer is correct or not, you can again fill this value of LCM here and 4 here, and product of 2, in place of product of two numbers you will write 192. You can check whether this multiplication, the product of these two numbers, that is 4 and 48, is 192 or not. Okay, in this way you can check whether your answer is correct or not. I hope it is clear to all of you. I can hear the sound.